What's up, everybody? Today we are going to make the world's largest monster truck ramp at the beach. So this is my buddy Cedar here, and he's going to help me make the monster truck ramp. You like pouring sand on the monster trucks? That's not, oh, you like throwing sand too. Look, watch. Are you having fun in the waves? Do you want to ramp monster trucks whenever I finish building the world's largest monster truck ramp?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll bet you one cookie I can ramp monster trucks farther than you.
I'll take it.
All right. Woo! All right, well, where they're swimming in the ocean, I'm gonna get to work building this epic monster truck ramp. I know you want to help with that, but that's a dangerous shovel. You can use this shovel, okay? Big, huh? Oh!
Oh! Hi!
We're making a monster truck ramp sand angel. And here lies Axel. May he rest in peace. His body, wait.
He lied.
Yeah.
He lied.
He lied.
He lied. He lied.
All right, you want to do it now?
Yeah.
There you go.
Four, Lord,
All right, let's see what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a beautiful angel. Just like you.
Daddy,
What?
we need to pack it down and dig a tunnel.
Yes. We must do this. This thing that he says, we must do it. All right, so we got to shape this into a ramp before we dig the tunnels, okay? Let's do it. Ready? Oh, it worked! Good work, Cedar! Give me 5! But he's ruining the ramp! Are you gonna go down? He's like, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Whoa! So this is how tall the monster truck ramp is. It is almost as tall as River.
It's
Almost as tall as her shoulders.
It's almost as tall as my waist.
Almost as tall as your waist. It's pretty big. The Guinness Book of World Records people, I bet they would say it's the biggest. All right, so ramp up and either into the bucket or over there into the big pit. Oh! Ah. He cheated, but he made it.
He said we had to ramp it. We didn't say where we had to ramp it from.
Oh man, Axel hacked the system. All right, so should we dig a tunnel now?
Yes.
All right, let's dig a tunnel through here. Axel doggy dig. Axel doggy dig faster. Oh.
Wait, watch it.
Oh no, it's caved.
Hello.
Do you brush your teeth with sand?
Well,
Axel
ow.
has sand all in his eyes. Record it on you.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go. Can he see? Is he blind? So the sand wasn't packed enough over there, but it's really packed hard here. So we're gonna try the tunnel right here. Get in my tunnel. What are you doing? Hi. Hello, everybody. right, let me help you out.
I got
Are
it.
y'all ready to dig this hole?
Fall backwards.
Fall backwards.
Fall backwards.
I'm gonna pull you out of your sandy grave. Ah. All right, so we have 2 holes here, 2 giant pits, this one and that one. And you have to tunnel as deep as you can,
To that wall.
the very bottom, over to that hole, okay? You guys each do it from one end. All right, let me see your hand, Axel. Success! We did it! Ha! Okay, don't stand on this, because we might be able to make it big enough for us to crawl through, okay?
Monster trucks.
You want to try? Oh yeah, get the monster truck,
No,
okay.
I'm gonna make a ramp right here and it'll go down and in.
Oh my gosh, that would be so cool. The monster truck ramp will go like whoosh all the way through.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so cool. There's light. River, stick your hands through. I see fingers. I think Axel's idea to make a monster truck ramp that goes all the way under there is a great, oh no. Is he stepping on your hair?
Yeah.
Sarah,
I'm not
don't
stepping
step on her hair. The shovel works perfect as a tunnel maker. You just twist it and it bores a hole. What are you doing? Look, you guys. What are you doing?
What?
Oh my gosh. Nope. He's trying to crawl through. All right, so we got a monster truck ramp, just like Axel described.
I'm gonna grab one real quick.
You go down.
There's 2 more in the bucket.
Oh no.
Dogs bury monster trucks.
All right, so you guys have to go down this ramp, through the tunnel, and out to the other side, okay?
Are you ready?
All right, Axel, you go first since it was your idea. Ready? Go. It worked. Oh, it did 2 flips. All right, try again. Oh, that's so cool. It did a flip and made it. Ready? Go. Woo! Nice. There's a troll baby on the other side of the bridge. Woo, oh.
It's on its back wheels. Look at it. Look at it, Daddy.
Oh my gosh! How did you guys? What are you doing? Hello! Yay! Treasure found! Can you make it through? There you go. He did it! Cedar made it all the way through! And he's through that again. All right, here comes Griff.
There's water.
You made it. Good work. Can you make it?
Easily.
Oh my God. Oh, careful your butt. Yeah, crawl out. Dude, you made it. Nice. That is so cool. What are you doing? He's crawling through it. He likes that tunnel, huh? You like it? That's a cool tunnel. All right, this monster truck will be crushed. And 3, 2, 1. Go! Monster truck cannonball! Can I hit the monster truck? Oh! Pineapple grenade, go! Oh! Go!
Now pineapple grenade.
Now pineapple grenade, okay. Yeah! All right, ready? There you go.
I can have something.
Sure. Oh, yeah. Mmm. That's good. Yummy. All right, friends, well, we had a blast making this epic monster truck video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. You get out and use your imaginations to live your life and love everyone around you. You can have fun just like you see us doing every day in these videos if you just use your imagination. We'll see you on the next adventure. Bye!